Welcome to One Learning. You just signed up for one of the most promising learning platforms. One Learning Masterclasses are designed to be some of the most powerful and structured educational resources for healthcare imaging professionals. For anyone who determined to elevate their skill, not just to learn, but to transform their performance and work. Our masterclasses are hosted by myself, Khushbu, and the team of technical experts. We bring you some of the greatest faculties in the industry. Our faculties are among the top speakers having international exposure, people you would see at conferences, people who have written some of the top-selling books and journals because their teaching style is phenomenal and truly changed many lives. Few of our masterclasses are available to you completely free. They are done in a form of webinar. So, just sign up, select your mentor and start watching. Don't forget to use our One Help Desk facility to ask your queries. You typically should block 60 to 90 minutes for each masterclasses as there are so much content in it. Do watch out these masterclasses as this will give you a great insight for our complete program. Don't forget to bring a journal or a notebook for writing down your important points and queries. All these masterclasses are just a glimpse as these are linked with our premium programs. Our courses are focused on the singular best personal transformation programs including evaluation and image assessment with every category we go into. When you enroll in the One Learning program, you also get to attend the technical 3D 4D session to better implement your learning in day-to-day practice, be it fetal echocardiography, fetal medicine, musculoskeletal, breast imaging, small parts, gynecology, and the adult echocardiography. So, when you listen to these masterclasses, ask yourself whether these topics or tips and tricks is going to transform your profession, and if the answer is yes, enroll for the full program. Your login information should be on your email. Look for an email from One Learning. As you are watching our masterclasses, you might have some of your questions unanswered. Go ahead and write your queries at info@onelearninghealthcare.com and our team is there to support you. I'll see you on our masterclasses. Till that time, wish you a very happy learning.